Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a story that quite literally built the world we live in. Let's talk about concrete. Concrete has been around for a lot longer than you might think. It all started with the ancient Romans. Yep, those clever engineers and architects who gave us the Colosseum and aqueducts. They discovered that by mixing lime, volcanic ash and water, they could create a sturdy, moldable material. They called it opus cementicum, which is where we get the word cement. But wait, there's more. The secret ingredient was volcanic ash from places like Pozzuoli, near Naples. This made Roman concrete incredibly durable, even underwater. It's why so many of their structures have stood the test of time. Imagine that, a formula created over 2,000 years ago, still holding strong today. Fast forward to the 18th century. The modern concrete we know really took shape thanks to British engineer John Smeaton. While rebuilding the Eddystone Lighthouse, he experimented with different materials and discovered that adding clay to lime created a stronger hydraulic cement. This breakthrough paved the way for what we call Portland cement, the backbone of modern concrete. Concrete literally transformed the world. From the skyscrapers that define our cities to the bridges that connect continents, this humble mixture of stone, sand, cement and water has been the foundation of progress. So, next time you walk on a sidewalk or see a towering building, remember the ancient Romans and innovators like Smeaton who made it all possible. Concrete isn't just a material, it's a testament to human ingenuity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating history stories. See you next time.